Guys, my name is Omkar Urti. I am your physics teacher. Guys, I have small doubt. Could our body be like behavior wave? I know. Our body was made up with tiny particles. But my question, our body be like behavior wave? In this video, this question we will solve with the help of De-Broglie hypothesis. What is our topic? De-Broglie hypothesis. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of hypothesis. Hypothesis is a thought experiment. It was not proven by experiment. Experimentally it was not proven. Just it was proven by theoretically only. De-Broglie said that dual nature of particle. Before the De-Broglie, scientists were thought that only light waves possess wave nature. Particles possess particle nature. But Planck's constant as well photoelectric effect showed that light wave possess the particle nature also. So we know that light possess the dual nature, both particle and wave nature. De-Broglie thought that nature is symmetric, nature is balanced. So, wave possess particle nature, same that way is particle possess wave nature. So, he gave the he proposed the one equation lambda is equal h by mv. What basic term? What is the lambda? Lambda means wavelength. Lambda means wavelength. What is the wavelength? Wavelength nothing but distance between two crust or two trough. That is nothing but wavelength. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the wave. This is the wave. This is crust. This is the trough. Distance between two crusts or two troughs. Nothing but wavelength. SI units meters. SI unit meters. Frequency. What is the frequency? Number of oscillations. Number of oscillations in per unit time. Per unit time or 1 second. That is nothing but frequency. SI units hertz. Wavelength. Distance between two crusts or two troughs, that is nothing but wavelength, SI unit meters. Frequency, number of oscillations per unit time or 1 second, number of oscillations in 1 second, that is frequency. SI units hertz. This is the basic terminology of wavelength and frequency. We know lambda is equal to h, lambda is equal to wavelength, lambda means wavelength. H is Planck's constant 6 by 6, 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second, this value. And m is equal to mass. We should know the difference between mass and weight. Mass and weight. W is equal to mg. Weight, mass into gravitational acceleration. Weight depends on gravitational acceleration, but mass doesn't depend on any parameter. So mass is constant, weight is not constant. In the universe, anywhere mass is constant, but weight is not constant. Because weight depends on gravitational. Our earth gravitational 9.8 meter per second square. Moon gravitational is different. So weight depends on gravitation. So weight isn't constant. Mass is constant. That is the difference between mass and weight. Okay? And V is equal to velocity. What is the velocity? Displacement by time. Displacement units meter per time units second. Mass and weight, both units are same. Gram or kg. MKs gram CGS, MKs kilogram CGS kgs. So this units is grams or kg. MKS units kg, CGS units grams. And this equation De-Broglie taken from equal h nu, Planck's constant. Nu is equal frequency. We had learned before that what is the meaning of frequency. Number of oscillations in unit time, number of oscillations per unit time. In 1 second, number of oscillations, that is called frequency. Units hertz, we had discussed before that. And this is the Planck's constant equal to h nu. And E is equal to mc square Einstein equation. This is the second equation. Nucleus, atom structure and binary energy. We shall learn that units. That time I will teach that E is equal to mc square. Now 1 is equal to 2. H nu is equal to mc square. Nu is equal to C by lambda. We know Hc by lambda is equal to mc square. Okay. Lambda is equal to Hc by mc square. C cancel. Lambda is equal to h by mc. But we know C is equal to V. So lambda is equal to h by mv. mv nothing but mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. Nothing but momentum. Momentum denotes with the letter of. So momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Lambda is equal to h by replace p instead of mv. So lambda h equal to h by p. We also write. So lambda h equal to h by p or lambda is equal to h by mv. Both are correct because momentum is equal to mass into velocity. This is what? This is the De-Broglie hypothesis equation. Next condition. If big mass of the object possesses the small lambda, small mass of the object possesses wavelength is high. Big mass of object has low wavelength. Small of the object has the high wavelength. This condition we shall prove in the next couple of minutes. Just we prove that that situations with the help of two examples. Lambda mass high, lambda low. Mass low, lambda is equal lambda high. We take the one example. 1 kg cricket ball. 1 kg cricket ball moves with 10. What is the wavelength? Okay, we know lambda is equal to h by mv. H 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second, we know. Mass 1 kg, just we assume. Sorry. This cricket ball 10 meter per second velocity. Second velocity. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule kg meter square per second square into second by 1 kg into 10 meter per second. Second cancel and second cancel. Kg cancel. Meter cancel. What remains? Meter is remains. And 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 10 to the power of minus 1. A to the power of minus 1 by n is equal to a to the power of 1 by a to the power of n. A to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. Logarithm equation. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 35 meters. Angstroms. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 35 into 10 to the power of 10 angstroms. So, 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 25 angstroms. That is, and in the macroscopic wall, we found 10 to the power of minus 25 angstroms. What about the micro? We know electronic mass 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. If this electrons moves 10 to the power of 6 meter per second velocity, what is that wavelength? We calculated the electron wavelength. We know lambda is equal to h by mv. H means 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule into second by 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into 10 to the power of 6 kg into meter per second. This kg we write. And 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into 10 to the power of 6 kg meter square per second square into second. And kg meter per second. Second cancel, second cancel, meter cancel, kg cancel, meter is remains. And 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 10 to the power of 31 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by 9.1 meters. Same, this equation applies. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 minus 6 minus 40 plus 31 minus 9. This is nothing but nanometers. Nanometers. 3 3 is a 0, 3 2 is a 3 2 is a totally 3 into 2.2 21. So 0.7 nanometers. It is negligible. 0.25 angstrom units. Sorry, 10 to the power of minus 25 angstrom units, that is negligible. 0.7 nanometers, considerable. So, compared to electronic mass, cricket ball mass is high. Compared to electron wavelength, cricket ball wavelength is low. So, we satisfied this equation. This condition, high mass possesses the low wavelength. Low mass possesses the high wavelength. So, wavelength inversely proportional to mass of the object. That is. Now, we should look the what is the relation between kinetic energy and De-Broglie hypothesis. Kinetic energy is what? Ke is equal to half me square. This is the kinetic energy. 2 Ke is equal to mv square. 2 Ke by m is equal to v square. V is equal to root over 2 Ke by m. What is the De-Broglie hypothesis? H is equal to mv. We know. H by m root over 2 Ke by m. Okay. H by root over 2 Ke m square by m. M cancel. H by root over 2 Ke m. This is the relation between kinetic energy and De-Broglie hypothesis equation. And in the first, I asked that one question: could our body behave a wave? Because we possess the heavy mass. That's why our wavelength is negligible. So that is the answer. Okay, thank you guys.